A 3D printed Terminator is a fan-made or custom-made recreation of the Terminator built layer by layer with plastic and combined with painting, electronics, or mechanical parts to achieve realism or limited functionality. It refers to models, props, or robotics projects inspired by the Terminator franchise, created using 3D printing technologies. A 3D printed Terminator is a replica or robotic model of the Terminator character, usually the T-800 endoskeleton, that is created using 3D printing technology. Basic 3D printed Terminator looks cool, great for display, cosplay, or collection. Upgraded with tech can glow, move, talk, and interact at a simple level. A 3D printed Terminator can range from a static display model to a semi-functional robotic build, depending on how much technology is added. By itself, the 3D print is just a physical replica, but with electronics and engineering, you can choose the scale, add battle damage, or tweak details.